This person has made over $150,000 in revenue by just selling iPhone cases. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start selling phone cases, step by step, even if you've never sold anything online before. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience or specialized skills to get started. This is one of the best side hustles you can dive into, especially for complete beginners. So, if you're looking to turn your ideas into income and start a profitable side hustle, keep watching. I'm going to walk you through every part of the process. For those who aren't familiar with this business model, it's called print-on-demand business. So basically a business model that lets you start earning money without holding any inventory and with zero upfront costs. What makes this even better is that you don't need to build a custom website because we'll be leveraging Etsy's customer base, which receives over 1.2 billion visits per month. We're using AI to manage most of the workload, and with everything automated, it will require almost no effort from you. So let's get started. Before we jump in, let's take a closer look at the store to see the range of phone case designs they have. This design, which is their best seller, has generated over $6,000 in sales this month, and overall it's earned $46,000 so far. That's with just one product. If we look at another product that's performing really well, this one has brought in over $16,000. I'm showing you this because I want you to see that phone cases are a highly popular item to sell. Now we'll create similar designs like this using AI. First, save the image of the design you want to use as a reference for creating a similar design. After saving it, head over to ChatGPT. You can use any AI chatbot, but I personally prefer ChatGPT. Sign up for a free account and come over to this page. Now, upload your image here and ask for a complete detailed image prompt for this case design. Now, ChatGPT gave us a complete detailed prompt of this image. So what this means is that we can now create a similar design using this prompt on any AI image generator tool. Now copy the entire prompt. And then we will move to the next AI tool called Leonardo AI to create our design. This is the best AI tool for generating images. All the links to the tools I used in this video will be in the description below. Create an account and come over to this page, then click on image generation and you will come to this page and turn on legacy mode. Now here paste your image prompt, then enable the photo real model. Make sure you select the Leonardo Kino XL model and don't forget to off the public image option because it will not make our image publicly available. It will remain private and only accessible to us. And then change the aspect ratio to 9:16. After you've completed all the settings, simply hit the generate button and in a few seconds, your design will be ready. You can see what an amazing image it has generated. Now click on any image you like, then click on the upscale button. Upscaling improves the quality of your image by addressing minor imperfections or unfinished areas, producing a fully detailed and high-resolution version. Once the upscaling process is finalized, download the enhanced image for your project. The best part of this tool is that if you're not satisfied with your initial results, you can create more designs by simply clicking the generate button again. Each time, it will provide you with a new similar design. The greatest advantage of using this method is that it's not just limited to phone cases. You can use this exact approach for so many other products. And trust me, I'll be revealing some amazing options later on. The key is to tap into trending designs, and you can easily create similar products that will capture people's attention. You'd be surprised, but people actually pay a lot of money to freelancers just to get designs like these created for them. They invest a significant amount, thinking it's the only way to get high-quality work. Yet, here I am, sharing these valuable insights and designs with you for absolutely free. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and turn on the bell notifications so you'll never miss any of my future updates. Alright, let's continue with the video. So, now we are coming to the most important part of the video, creating a phone case. We're going to be using print-on-demand company called Printify, a platform that simplifies the entire process of creating and selling customized products. With Printify, you can design anything from phone cases to t-shirts, mugs, socks, and bags. If you go to their early access section, you will get AirPods cases that you can customize and sell with your own designs. Just like phone cases, AirPods cases are also in high demand. In fact, let me show you a store where one AirPods case has brought in over $20,000 in sales this year alone. The great news is that you can apply the exact same strategy to start selling AirPods cases in your own store and see similar success, all without the need to manage inventory or handle production. They take care of everything for you, from printing your designs to packaging and shipping directly to your customers. What makes Printify special is its large network of trusted printing partners worldwide. They offer high-quality products at affordable prices. Whether you're starting a small side business or growing an existing one, Printify makes it easy to turn your ideas into a successful business without much hassle. Let's start this process by creating an account. But before you create an account, let me share an easy way to boost your profits. If you can afford a small upfront budget, I recommend going for Printify's premium plan, which costs just $29 a month. With this plan, you get a 20% discount on all products, meaning you'll earn more money from every sale. It's like putting a little in now to get a lot more back later. If you want to grow your business faster and increase your profits, this is a smart choice. But don't worry if you're not ready to spend right away. You can start with their free plan and upgrade. Whenever you're ready, Printify gives you the flexibility to succeed no matter where you start. After creating an account, you will come to this page. Click on the catalog and select phone cases. Here, you'll have different cover options to choose from. Go ahead and pick your favorite. I'll be choosing the best seller for this tutorial. Click on Start Designing, and then we will come to this page. Now, click on the Upload option, then select My Device to upload the design we've created. Now, simply select the design and adjust it by stretching it to fit the entire phone. Once that's done, your first design is pretty much finished. Like I said, this is a super easy step. Once you're ready, click the Preview button to view your design from different angles, giving you a clearer idea of how it will look. Now, the important thing is that you need to make it available for more types of mobile phones to increase your sales. So let's go back to the Edit section and select the phone model options, and you'll see a list of different iPhone models that you can choose from. I recommend selecting all of the iPhone models, as it will increase the potential sales you can make. Once you select these models, be sure to click on each one to ensure the design fits properly. Keep in mind that every phone has a different size and shape, so you'll want to adjust the design for each model to make sure it fits perfectly. And just to show you, if you want to add variations for phones other than iPhones, you can simply scroll down and select other phone models here. So once you've finished all the work, make sure to save the product. Next, you'll need to write the name and description of the product. If you're unsure about what to write, don't worry. You can simply click on Generate with AI and describe your phone case. The AI will automatically generate a well-crafted title and description for you, saving you time and effort. Now, there's only one last thing to do, and that is to connect your Etsy store. Scroll down and click on Connect a Store to link your Etsy store and grant them access. Once it's done, your Etsy store will be successfully connected to your Printify account. Finally, go ahead and publish your product. But wait, the video isn't over yet. I'm going to share some tips on making your products rank higher in search results so you can attract more customers and boost your sales significantly. To make your products rank higher in search results and attract more buyers, you need to focus on 4 key elements: titles, descriptions, tags, and eye-catching photos. While we've already crafted compelling titles, descriptions, and tags using AI, let me introduce you to an amazing free tool for creating stunning product images. Head over to pebbly.com, where you can upload your product photos and instantly transform them into professional-looking photo shoot images. Create a free account and come to this page. Upload your product image here. Wait a few seconds, then click on Save Assets. Now here you will get different types of themes. Select which one you like it and click on the Generate button, and in a few seconds you will get perfect product images with high-quality backgrounds. Download which one you like. This is a game changer for making your listings stand out. Once you have your amazing product images ready, the next crucial step is to optimize your tags on Etsy. Tags play a vital role in improving your product's visibility and helping potential customers find your listings. To make this process easier, you can use a free tool called etsycheck.com. Here's how it works. Go to etsycheck.com and enter the keywords or tags you want to analyze. For example, I'm searching for an iPhone case. The tool will provide insights into the popularity, relevance, and competition of those tags. It will also suggest better performing keywords that you can use for your product listings. Once you have the best tags, go back to your Etsy listing, edit the tags section, and replace the less effective ones with the optimized ones. This simple step can make a huge difference in how often your products appear in search results, ultimately helping you attract more customers and boost your sales. Don't skip this. It's a game changer for your store's success. And that's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you optimize your listings and boost your sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content like this. And hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. There's so much more to learn and explore together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.